Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn after being ghosted by recruiters. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current LinkedIn profile. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Evaluate your profile picture and background photo. Ensure you have a clear, professional profile picture. Select a background image that reflects your industry or personal brand. Update your headline to be more engaging and descriptive. Include specific keywords related to your profession. Craft a compelling summary that highlights your skills and experiences. Focus on your unique value proposition. List your current and past job experiences in detail. Use bullet points to outline your responsibilities and achievements in each role. Incorporate relevant keywords to increase visibility in search results. Seek endorsements for your skills from colleagues and connections. Engage with your network by asking for recommendations. Join industry-specific groups to broaden your connections. Participate in discussions to showcase your expertise. Post relevant content to demonstrate your knowledge and interests. Share articles, insights, or personal achievements related to your field. Engage with posts from others by liking, commenting, and sharing. Adjust your privacy settings to make your profile more visible to recruiters. Ensure that your profile settings allow recruiters to find you easily. Consider using LinkedIn's Open to Work feature if you're actively seeking opportunities. Regularly check your message requests to respond to potential recruiters. Follow companies and influencers in your industry to stay informed. Set aside time each week to update your profile and engage with your network. Monitor your activity and adapt your approach based on the response you receive. Be patient and persistent in your efforts to reconnect with your professional community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.